In this SolidWorks tutorial, I'm going to cover the Defeature tool. If you want to run a stress analysis or other simulation where you have too many complex features in a part, you want to simplify it for FEA, mesh generation, etc., or just using less memory, maybe in a loading and assembly, you can turn off features. So we go to Tools, Defeature method. We can create just a silhouette based on the outline, or we can simplify the geometry. We'll do this option. And features to keep, let's say we're starting from scratch. This is where we select from our feature tree which features we want to actually keep. So let's say we want to keep this whole pattern here. You can see it successfully removed the holes and slots that we did not select for keeping. Items to remove. So let's say we want to remove now these slots. We can create it as a new configuration if we'd like. Finally, we can select Finish. Now, if we go to Configurations, it should show defeatured configuration versus the full features part and the defeatured configuration. Thanks for watching this SolidWorks tutorial. Become a channel member if you want to get SolidWorks job listings, bronze membership. Like and subscribe. Thank you.